Okay, so guys, welcome to the 4.5 writing a function rule notes. So, once again, today it's all word problems. So, don't be scared. Do the word problems. You can do it. Go team. Hashtag don't fail algebra 1. So, on problem 1, first of all, let me pick a fun color here. Let's go red. Okay? So, problem 1, writing a function rule. So, insects. You can estimate the temperature by counting the number of chirps from a snowy tree cricket. That's fantastic. Okay? The outdoor temperature is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit more than 1/4 of the number of chirps. Okay? So what is the function rule? So let's just call it chirps. No. Strike that, reverse it, erase that. Okay? Let's call it temperature. I even changed colors on you. So temperature equals, and it says 40 degrees more than, so that's going to be 40 plus 1/4, okay, the number of chirps. So 1/4, let's call it C for chirps. Okay, what is the function rule that represents it? And that's it. That's all we do. Okay, so 40 degrees more than, so that's 40 plus, okay, 40 plus 1/4. You all know how to write 1/4, the number of chirps. So all we're doing is we're just taking this little piece of information here and this little piece of information here and writing this equation. All we're doing. We don't have to solve it, do anything with it. That's it. We are done. Woohoo! Tie a bow on it. Okay? Let's go blue. So, down to problem 1. See you later. See you later. Okay, so a landfill has 50,000 tons of waste in it. Okay? Each month it accumulates an average of 420 more tons of waste. What is the function rule that represents the total amount of waste after m months? Okay, so total amount of waste equals, okay, I know we're gaining 420 more per month, right? So every month we add 420. So how do we write that in math? 420 m, okay, so 420 per month plus my initial tonnage, which was 50,000. Okay, and that's it. We're done. Ta-da! Put a square around it. Perfect. We're done. Okay, all we're doing is you read the problem, pick the important information out, and then move on. Okay. Number 2. Let's pick another fun color just so we can keep you guys. Oh, let's go green. Okay. A kennel charges $15 per day to board dogs. Upon arrival, each dog must have a flea bath, which costs $12. Okay. So write a function for the total cost in of days plus a bath. Okay. So the total cost equals $15 per day. So that's 15 for every day that your dog's in the kennel. So it says in days, so 15 in, plus a one-time flea bath that cost me $12. Okay? So your total equals $15 per day plus a one-time flea bath. Then the problem goes on to ask us, how much does a 10-day stay cost? Okay? So it says n is the number of days, so its total equals 15 times 10 plus 12. So when you plug that in, it's 150 plus 12. So your total cost for a 10-day stay would be $162. That is just an awful 162, but you guys by this point have learned to realize that I'm not very good at this. So yeah, once again, all we're doing, read the problem, highlight the important information, okay, highlight the important information, and then write your equation, okay? So now let's jump on down here to problem 2. Do we want to do problem 2 today, or do I want to do it on Monday? I just don't know. Let's read it, and if we get into it and we don't like it, we'll stop, okay? So a concert seating plan is shown below. Reserve seating is sold out, okay, so reserve seating is sold out. Okay, the total number of ticket sales will depend on the number of general seating tickets sold. Write a formula rule that represents the situation. What is the maximum possible total revenue? Okay, so the total seating we write as total, okay, is going to be, so I look at reserve seating, okay? How many seats are there in reserve seating? So it's 10 rows and 12 seats apiece, okay? So if we multiply our 10 rows by 12, that gives us 120, okay? 120 times it's $25 per seat, okay? So we know that reserve seating is sold out. So I have 120 times 25. Okay, I got my 120 because there's 10 rows and 12 seats, so that's 120 seats at 25 apiece, okay? Plus general seating, okay, general seating, there's 30 rows times 16 seats, okay? So what is that? 480? There's 480 seats in general admission, okay? And those cost $10 a piece. Okay, so my total number I could buy is 120 seats times 25 plus 480 seats times 10. Okay, so when we go to plug this into our calculator, actually that's what I want you guys to do. I want you to plug this part into your calculator just to show me that you watched it. So on your notes, I want you to draw this box here, and you need to have your answer here. So this is going to be your answer. Okay? Your answer. Okay? So, your answer goes there. And if you write your answer, I know you didn't watch it. How exciting. So, yeah, and then we will probably just do problem 3 in class. Okay, so I actually want you guys to try problem 3 first. I want you to try it first, but if not, if you don't understand it, I want you to try it. But if you don't get it, we will go over it in class. 7 minutes, perfect, boom. Have a good weekend, guys.